This momentous event today signals the realization of our long dream. Finally, we can say we'll be having a building we can call our own and our home. To everyone, thank you very much and congratulations to all of us.
Having a good workplace means we will be able to work harder, more efficiently, and more effectively. Because if you are in a cramped environment, definitely your productivity will be affected.
Si Mr. Olan, kayo ho yung pinakamalaking part ng project na ito kasi kung hindi ho dahil sa inyong donasyon na lote, hindi ho marirealize itong pangarap naming building.
Sana nandito pa kami ni Director sa paligid-ligid kung matapos mo nitong building na ganyan.
Come true for the Bureau of Internal Revenue to own soon our own regional office. It's a dream na magkaroon tayo ng totoong atin.
This time, sarili ninyo na ito and hopefully, permanente na talaga tayo dito. Kaya mahalin ninyo ang building na ito. Hindi ho lahat nagkakaroon ng opportunity na magkaroon ng sariling building.
Mabuhay ho ang BIR! Mabuhay ang bagong Tanawan! Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas! Hindi ko po pababayaan ang BIR Regional Office dito sa lungsod ng Tanawan.